Hey guys. All right, so in this video, I'm going to show you quickly how to add access to your Google Search Console. So if you need to provide access to a developer, your website designer, a marketing agency, anybody that needs access to your Google Search Console, there's a quick and simple way to add access for that user. So to gain access to Search Console, you can start by going to search.google.com/search-console. Now, if you're already logged in, that might bring you right into your Search Console. You may also have to log into your Google account first, but you'll land on an overview screen. Now, if you only have one website in your Google Search Console account, then it will automatically be pre-selected for you here up in the left corner. If you have multiple websites, you'll want to click on the drop-down and choose the website that you want to provide access to. Once you've got the correct website selected, we're going to scroll down in this left sidebar until we see settings. We'll click on that. Then we're going to click on users and permissions. You'll see a list of users here in this bottom section, but when you need to add a new user, you'll click on this blue add user button. Here you'll enter in an email address in this first line. And do note that this does have to be a Google account email address. So that is either a personal Google account or a Google Workspace account. Either one of those will work, but it must be a Google account. It cannot just be any old email address. And then we highly recommend leaving the permission set to full. If you do restricted, it probably won't provide enough access for whoever is asking for it, for them to see all the data that they need to see and make any changes if necessary. So we recommend leaving the permission set to full. And once you've done that, you simply click on add. And once you click add, your website will be added to that user's Google Search Console account. So next time they log in, they can come up to the drop down in the top left and your website will appear for them. They'll be able to access everything that you can and see all the same stats that you have access to. If in the future you need to change the permissions for that user or remove their access completely, you can also do that from the users and permission screen. You simply find the user here in this user table that you want to change their access. You click on the three dots over on the right, and you can change permissions, switch it from full to restricted, or make them an owner. Just click save when you finish changing those permissions. Or clicking on those dots and just click remove access, and then just confirm and say you want to remove that user. And now they no longer have access to your Google Search Console data. Hope you guys enjoyed this quick little tip. And if you are interested in Google Search, SEO, and marketing, consider subscribing to our channel, where we're going to be posting a lot more information about all those topics very soon.